money. And you want to lock in your trades, and you also want to protect your downsides at the same time.
Mark, no Zoom volume.
That's because it's muted. All right.
That's because it's muted.
There we go. All right.
Because it's muted. There we go.
There we go. I got to mute my cell phone here because I was looking at it for. That's literally the first time I've looked at this feed on my cell phone. I'm always watching it on the feeds, monitoring the feeds on my computer. All right, we're good. Never mind. I thought I was screwed up, but apparently what I just did fixed that. All right. On with the show. The show must go on. We had a very good session today. Our members did very well financially. Account changing days. I had a good day also. I didn't really trade heavy the last, I don't know. Did I even trade after 11 o'clock? I don't know if I did. I may have been done trading a little bit after 11-ish.
You said you stopped.
Yeah, I forget what time that was. I think it was 11. I said, that's enough. Just wasn't feeling it, you know? I just wasn't down with it. I wasn't hip to it. You know, I just didn't have it. I'm like, I'm tired. All right, I don't want to pay any more taxes. I'll just go ahead and stop, right? So I think that's pretty much what I did. I mean, I did take one or two more trades just fiddling around, but that was the wrong attitude to have when you're throwing money around. So don't do that. Be serious about it. So we did good. We had some good runs on ES. We had members playing ES. I played NQ myself, amongst others, but NQ was my one that I was doing probably the most of, in addition to gold. I did a real nice down run on the Russell. I do remember that. I think it was this one here. What am I pointing at that screen for? You can't see that screen. This is the screen I need to be changing. I tell you what, Doug, there's just too many distractions here on my desk. I got all these monitors and buttons and shiny, flashy things. I'm just like a squirrel.
Do it.
Squirrel.
I don't know. Oh, there's a better way to do it, but
I've seen your desk.
so that's probably more complicated than what am I doing? Oh, I'm drinking up my screen. It's your show. All right. Hey, we spare no expense to put this show together. Let me tell you, this is top notch. I got networks calling me, wanting me to know if I'd come run their TV network for me. It's that good.
Good morning.
Yeah. Let's see. Here's E. That ain't the right ES. That's ES. It's a stock. I want the futures. ES, as in the ES S&P 500s. We had some members really doing very well on this today. Matter of fact, I believe some of them are still in this, right? In EWO for this. How'd that do, by the way? Did it break that level? What level did he say? 311 or something? 315? I don't know, whatever. He called out a certain level, said it was heading that way. Looks like it did reject it off the 311 or 310-ish level there. 311-ish where I have a line. Pulled back. Is it going to retest? No, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you slid your stop up and it should have worked, right? It should have locked in your profits for you. What else did we have? NQ. I played that. I already said that, didn't I? That's what I had on my screen. NQ's got a nice little EWO going, there. Look at that. Upside down cup. Somebody spilled their cups upside down. Whatever, right? So some good runs there also. It wasn't so much at the beginning. I mean, it shot to the moon at the beginning, pulled back, and then it just sat there and chattered for a while. I was like, I ain't playing that. I did catch a little bit of it, but nothing huge.
You don't play that?
Yeah, I did. I did grab some of it. I didn't say anything because it was a risky trade. I was in and out in 5 seconds why that craziness was going on. I locked in some money. I don't remember. It wasn't a significant amount, but I did lock in some, but I could. The Dow, we were all excited about the Dow yesterday. Well, all that work she did for us yesterday, she was tired today. She wasn't a smooth operator as she was yesterday. Come on, who sings that? Come on. Where's my folks at?
Sade.
Sade. Who?
Sade, however you say your name. Sade.
Sade.
I think it was before that. I don't know who that singer is you just said. Is that somebody who was born after 1980? Then that ain't the person. Smooth operator. Come on.
Smooth operator.
Oh, yeah, we were rocking out when we were having a little DJ party there for a while and listening to some tunes and trading at the same time. So anyway. Of course, Christina missed it all, She could have been jamming with us, but, Oh, it is Sadie. Yeah, Sade. Huh, okay, I was wrong. Never mind. I'm sorry. You were right, Christina. I'm wrong. I know. I should
Never mind.
I should never questioned you. I know better than to question you.
That's right.
I know better. Because there's only one other person here who knows tunes more than me, and that's you. I should have trusted you. Right? Come on. There we go. There's YM. Well, anyway, that's what I was trying to do here. Yesterday, she was very sweet to us and just drove straight up Not so much today. Very rough. Matter of fact, it was overall flat. It had its rise here a little bit, but it got into a mess over here. So I think she pretty much got ignored by a group. I mean, there's plenty of opportunities to make money here, but she wasn't like she was yesterday. Though I think, unless something has changed, my initial, one of my initial winners of the day on a chart is gold. It went, as you can see, it's in a downward now. Had a nice real upward, and it just did that all day. Even I played this in the morning. Had a real nice EWO in the morning. Made a large chunk of my money in the morning, as a matter of fact, before the 9:30 market opened, and I was playing that and some other things, chip shot and things. But gold, if it's just, well, I hadn't been paying attention, but I was jumping in and out of the other things that I liked, and they weren't really doing much. They were doing this same thing here, but once. What time did that start? Anyway, that started about, let me move this doohickey out of the way. It's always in my road. Hang over here. Put that over there. That was about 10:30-ish, 20 after. Very nice run. That's a Lambo money type run. Those of you who like to drive like those other TikTokers do that like to show off. Oh, look, I made a Lambo by only trading 2 minutes every day. Follow me, and I too will share the secrets of day trading with you. Well, there's really no secrets to it. And you really think some 16-year-old kid's driving a Lambo? Well, he could, and it can happen. Anything. How much a Lambo cost anyway? Somebody look up the cost of a decent Lamborghini. I just decided I want to buy one. How much is it?
About 350,000.
Oh, I could have bought one this week.
Yeah, that's one day for you, sir.
You could have bought 3 of them this week.
Doggone, I'm going to get me a Lambo. Where do you get one of them at? GM? Ford? Pinto?
Lamborghini dealership.
Oh, I don't think there's any of them around where I live.
That would be Italy.
Oh, that's what I'll do. I'll just order right direct for the factory. That's what I should do. I'll get a hot pink. How's that?
Ooh!
Hot pink.
Smoking.
What was the other one? Oh, oil. Oil was another one. I mean, everything pretty much ran nice today, right? No, I'm going to get an ADT Sky Blue is what I'm going to get it in. That's what I'm going to do. Get me a boom box and stick it up there and right down the street. Boom, boom, boom. I'll be the hip.
You could just hop on over to Italy tomorrow for lunch and get one.
Oh, yeah, okay, all right. I'll do that, but tomorrow's Saturday. They work on Saturdays?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, usually. Maybe not Sunday.
Why don't you check that out
ask Bruno to fly you.
Yeah, Bruno can fly me on the ADT jet. Yeah, that'll work.
Mark, I pegged you more for an Aston Martin type of guy.
Have you ever seen me in person? Do you think I would fit in an Aston Martin?
Oh, they're roomy.
No, Mark will fit in a Ferrari.
Yeah, definitely not a Ferrari. I could get in, but I wouldn't be able to get out.
I was going to say, you better just keep driving it. Just stay in
That's
it.
why I'm driving a Toyota RAV4. Thank you very much. That's all I need. Simple. It's got 4 wheels, a couple doors on it. This one's all. I mean, we went all out on this one. This one's got a moon roof on it.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, we're high fluting in our neighborhood.
What color is it?
What color is it? It's red.
Yeah.
It's that whatever
Nice.
red. Yeah, it looks pretty sharp.
Be a flashy too.
Oh yeah, that's me. Flashy. I go down. I got the hands on the steering wheel like this. You know,
Okay.
one arm hanging out. My hat's turned halfway sideways. Got the boom box a booming. They hear me coming before I get there. Look at me. Hey,
Mark, I speak Italian. I can translate for you.
Oh yeah, you could.
Okay.
You want to drive?
I just came from France. It's very dangerous driving there. And I
Oh,
was in
well,
Italy
you
too,
better
so
drive me
no,
around then.
I'll pass.
So no.
Yeah, no.
No.
I'll try.
So I should
Only
take.
as a translator.
Oh, okay. Well, if it's dangerous, I don't know if I want to go now. Now I got to pay for an
I
Uber.
recommend not to.
I got to pay for an Uber now. That's extra money. That
Yes.
costs too much to go over there. I ain't going over there. Anyway, what was I doing? What are we here for? Where am I? What are we supposed to be doing?
Where am I? Looking at the futures.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Futures. Oil, that's what I was talking about. Oil.
That's helping oil, Mark.
Oh, look
Big
at that. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful chart if you ever seen one? Look at that. That's a one-click all-day chart. 9 o'clock this morning. There's my little mark on that. 9 o'clock this morning. Went up all day. Look at that. I mean, except for right now. That is beautiful. I did play some of that. Some of this, I scalped some of it, let's put it that way. I sat in it for a little while, but I think I might have, what time's this one? Nope, wasn't in that one. I don't know. I was in here somewhere. I remember I made some money from oil
We
today.
got somebody that took that trade. Where he at?
Oh, yeah, I did hear him say that.
asked about
FCL.
it.
Who was that?
We got somebody that took that trade. And he was in it for a while. EWO setup.
Yeah?
I can't remember his name though.
Who was it? Who said MCL?
That is me.
That's him. That's him. That's him.
Oh, AM, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about this trade. How did you sit in that all day? Congratulations to you, sir, for doing that. Whew. How hard was it to sit there all day, or did you go take a nap?
Just trust your indicator. That's what you tell me.
Okay.
That's it. Trust the indicators.
Trust the indicators. Was there any time it told you to get out? Did you get out, or get out and get back in, or you just hold it?
I hold it all the way after I get 50%. What's called the
Retreat. Yep. Retracement.
retreat? Yeah.
Uh huh. Wow.
Yeah. I put like a what is called trailing stop.
Yep. Oh.
If they go down, just go down. And lucky is to still go all the way.
Cool.
Thank you, Mark.
Did you use Weeble's trailing stop, or are you using like TOS's?
So I use what is called the trading view trailing stop. Like you tell on the yeah.
What broker did you use?
Weeble.
And that worked? The trailing stop? I mean,
like,
the reason I'm asking, because I know they instituted it already, but it's on a rolling, not everybody has it all at the same time. They're rolling it out. So it worked for you then. That's good.
Yes.
Good. I'm going to explore that. So they've been sending out the emails and everything. Uh-oh. What's that mean? That means my interwebs or something are broken. I don't know. What's it mean? Let's make it
EWO.
WO?
TikTok. Huh?
Is that what that means?
TikTok?
Is that what that is? That's the TikTok EWO sound? Is that what that is?
Yeah, slide the puzzle.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's not there. I'm clicking on it right now. And I think that was my interwebs were slowing down or something type of thing. I don't know. I think that's what it was. I don't know. I didn't see it. I don't have this. I didn't hook up this to an external monitor, so I'm looking at it through a laptop right now. What else? Anyway, anybody else in a long EWO play today and wants to tell us about it? You have to unmute your mics. We can't hear you.
Squirrel!
All right, I'll give it a chance. Anyhow, and
I only took one Evo today. It was on the Euro, but it wasn't that impressive. It was a top day. So
okay. Well, let's take a look at it 6E and see what it looked like. Yeah, kind of wasn't one straight up or straight down. We had a bunch of small EWOs in a channel, huh?
yeah, I only took that one from the bottom up. It was an up Evo, right?
Mm-hmm.
There, that one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So it wasn't that impressive.
Did you make money on it?
Evo, yeah.
Okay, is money not impressive? That's all.
It was, yeah. It worked out. It was
All
a
right.
great trade.
All right.
So.
Good. You wouldn't take the money you made today and then flush it down the toilet, go home with it and flush it down your bathroom toilet?
I'm happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Anybody else have a good long run.
We make fun of our members sometimes. Well, I only made $215.36 today. Only? Would you take that $200 and flush it down your toilet at home? Well, no. I was like, well, then it must have some value. It's not just only, right? So, anyway. Anyway, I don't need this up here no more. I can get rid of that. I can slide this over here. There we go. That looks better. All right. So, what questions do we have, if you have any? Hello, J Dog and Darn Cricket. One of our moderators over there, Darn Cricket, over, and James is over there also. One of the mods helping out. Excuse me while I yawn after a long day. Anyway, James is there, Darn Cricket. J Dog, my chick, Mon Chris. What else we got? Any questions over there? Silver's been amazing since about 11 p.m. last night. Yes, that was one thing. I did do a silver run. Silver was on a run, as a matter of fact. It was tearing it up. You got to know what you're doing, though, if you're trading silver. Hang on here. Button. There we go. SI. Silver. Futures. Things shot straight up today, and then, well, it actually kept going up all day. Got a little choppy, too choppy for me at one time, so I'm like, that's enough for me. But yes, as featured in the VIP Futures newsletter that is produced each and every week for our paid members, that was, matter of fact, it was highlighted in about silver this time. That was one of the highlighted featured articles, was on silver. And how everybody expects it to, run up real high, yada, 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 right? It's up to 38. It should be really in the 50s. The general consensus in the gold to silver ratio, it should be, the price of silver really should be up around in the upper 40s to low 50s instead of where it's at now. In other words, it's undervalued. It's just not following. It's not playing well with others. It's not climbing like gold has. However, it's a very nice run. Each one of them ticks is $25, I believe, right? Silver? Yes. So every one of these, every tick, which would be the last digit of the price, when it goes from 875 to 880, well, that's $25 you made per contract. Guess what? When it goes down one tick, you lose $25 per contract. So, very good to run, though. Oh, look who's in the house. Let's go, Eric. Let's go. Eric's in the house. There we go. I heard Eric made a few bucks himself today over there with the stock people. You know, he can't hang out with us cool kids. He's too cool for us. So anyway, good job, Eric. Good day. Had a great day today. Good, proud of you. Okay, what else? Eric, what's up? Testing futures also. Oh, we don't test. We just take from futures. We make it. Matter of fact, Miranda made money today in futures. Good job. There you go. I'll tell you what. There's so much money over here. They're just giving it away. Doesn't seem like, Ralph, like they're just giving money away over here in the futures. It just seems like it's just freely given away. It's almost like it's the grocery store of the financial world. There's just money everywhere. You walk in.
What's up with copper today?
Yeah, it's just you walk in and it just falls in your Brinks truck and fills it up.
That's how I feel for the ones who follow the rules, Mark.
Well, yeah.
You know, some people don't follow the rules, Mark.
Well, we're working on it, Ralph. I break them once in a while, but we're working on it. Matter of fact, we had a large group of our members here in the futures today make hopefully what will end up being a life-changing decision, a moment in their trading career where they're going to commit to something special. I'm not going to get into all the details of that because some of the things are kind of, some people's journeys are more private than others. I'm pretty much an open book to a certain extent, right? But we're going to be
Like they
institute.
committed to a very hard contract they got to stick to.
Yeah.
But if they follow the plan, you know.
Yep, they'll be successful. And
Did any of you
right.
play copper today?
I didn't today. It was a little choppy when I looked at it, so
Yeah.
I just kind of. No, I don't
Just
think
a lot
I
of up and
did.
down, but all in the positive, the
Yeah.
EWO.
I was going to play at 3:00 this morning, and end up not. I ended up playing the gold instead. But yeah, it's still went up, right? Nice steady.
Yeah, looks like a lot of channel trading it would be, you know? Just
Yeah, it's you can just take what you get and you lock it in, get out, scalp it,
Yeah.
scalp it down, scalp it up, scalp it down, scalp it up.
Yeah.
It was an all green EO, but I would have probably
That's
had
what
to
I'm saying,
walk away
yeah.
from that one to stay in it. But it never went to the 55 though. Look at that.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, you could stay in a 2-minute all day on that. Oof.
Yep, same way as oils, right? Oils was the same way, all straight up all day long, right? Yeah, that's a good. I mean, I've done very well on copper in the last. Well, it's been a week now, right?
Yeah, you have.
So yeah, matter of fact, one day I did extremely well. So, what else did we do? We looked at platinum, right? Platinum futures. And I didn't play a lot of this either. This was the one I kind of regretted not seeing it because I was jumping around from thing to thing instead of staying with my girlfriends, you know. The ones have been paying me, and platinum's one of them. And this was another one, just like oil, all about the same time. Well, this one was a little later, actually. I thought this one was about 10. It just went straight up after that. Nothing to write home to mom about, but it's still one click, let it go. Call me when it's done. Platinum. So that ended up being very good too, but I did play it in the pre-market. Yeah, I'm just started yawning all of a sudden. All right, what else? What else? Questions, comments? Hey, over there on the YouTubes, Mon Chris says, hey, Christina. Hey, you got a fan over on the YouTubes there, Christina.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, he's kind of creepy though. I don't know. I'd check it out. That Mon Chris person, I don't know. You gotta watch them interwebs. I heard they could give you a computer virus and stuff. I don't know. It's just what I heard. It's a fad anyway. It ain't gonna be around. It won't. I give it 5 years before it's gone. The interwebs. That's the way I see it anyway.
Yeah, it's a phase the kids are going through.
Yeah, it's just like that rock music. It ain't gonna last.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do we want to talk about here today?
It'll melt your brain.
It'll melt your brain, stunt your growth, turn you into murderous young adults. It's all the other things.
Only if you listen backwards.
Yep. When I was a child back in the very early 60s, we watched this little show with Adam West called Batman. The Batman. And then pow, boom, pow. And also before that was Superman with Christopher Reeve. Or not Christopher Reeve, that was an original. What was his name? George. Oh, the original one from the late 50s. See? Losing my mental capabilities.
George Reeves.
George Reeves. That's it. What did I say? Didn't I say that? Did I say that?
I think you did.
Did I? See? That's what happens when you doubt yourself. That
No,
time.
you said Reed, actually.
Oh, Reed. Is that what I said?
Yeah.
I knew I was close.
Close
I'll
enough.
review the tape later. Yes, George Reeves. Reeves. And then, Christopher Reeves was the other Superman. Right? Is that what it is?
Correct.
Correct. That's why it's confusing, because they got similar names. Anyway. And they have one thing in common also. You know what that is? Huh?
Come on.
They're both
What
dead.
is it? Oh.
Well, that's morbid. Thank you.
What about the Cape?
The
Hey, Happy
Cape.
Friday. You know
The
what you guys
Cape.
were just talking about? Yeah, they're dead.
The Cape. Hey, we're all about culture here at AmericanDreamTrading.com. We're not just all about money here.
That was my first thought, but I didn't want to say it out loud. So
Yeah,
that's why I
yeah. We was given some culture this morning in the pre-market, and then we had some. We were doing some music education to try to help soothe the souls of the savage beasts that are rolling around in our futures lounges over here. I wanted to give everybody the ooh-zah, ooh-zah. So we were doing music therapy. That's how I want to say it. Would you agree?
Wow,
Was it like
baby.
music therapy? Yeah, I think it was. I felt calmer and more awake. Matter of fact, I'm so calm now, I'm starting to yawn. I can't even fight it. I'm so yawny, I can't fight it. Yanni, did he play some musical instrument? Isn't Yanni famous for something? What's Yanni famous for there, Christina?
Yeah, no.
yeah, that elevator type music, isn't it?
Yeah.
Piano.
That's something I don't know much about.
Everybody knows Yanni.
Yeah, he's famous. He
guess-
do like Christmas albums too with that.
He's over from your part of the world. He's over there from Greece. I think he's from Greece, ain't he? Ain't he Greek? He's like your next door neighbor or something over there. Isn't that on the other side of the world there, Christina?
I don't live in Europe.
Is that right? Is that right next to Cologne and all that? You know.
I don't know. I'm bad at that stuff. I don't know.
Isn't
I didn't listen well in school.
I don't know. I only thing I know about over there is what I learned from the Godfather movies. I've never been there, so I don't know.
I'm from the East Coast, not from. Well, my family is from.
Yeah, we know.
From the East Coast.
They're still looking for your family, so shh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I looked it up. He's from Greece.
Yeah, is he from Greece? Was I wrong? Huh?
Was that Coco? Was that Coco's voice?
That's Coco. She's been here the whole time. She's been here all day. She's been here all day.
Yeah.
I know. I haven't. I'm terrible today. Sorry.
Yeah.
Grease is the word.
Don't be coming in here with an hour left and expect us to do a total recap on the whole day for you. You know, you got to show up. You got to show up. Christina just walks in the house, just sucks the air right out of the room. Look at all the people who want to say hi to Christina.
Christina!
Hey, go ahead, get it out of your system.
Hi, Christina.
Hey guys. Hey.
What happened? Why you wasn't trading with us today?
I was doing a little bit of a human thing, you know. My mom never lets me sleep, and then when I do sleep, she wakes me up and says, "Are you okay?" No, I'm just being a human and trying to sleep for once. So, yeah, I'm sleeping. I
That human thing gets in the way, you know.
I'm exhausted. Yeah.
Oh, you was taking a nap?
Yeah, a long one on the couch from last night. Yeah, I'm tired.
Margaritas, huh?
I
Yeah.
wish. I don't even have time to drink, but I don't drink.
Christina,
Hey.
Mark says you can't make any money while you're sleeping.
Sometimes I can lose money while I'm sleeping. I
Yeah.
can gain it too. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easier to lose it while you're sleeping, folks. So don't do that. Don't do that at home.
No.
Stay
Don't do
awake.
Yes. Anything we talk about here on AmericanDreamTrading.com's live futures and education trading program is for educational purposes only. Neither I nor anyone else associated with American Dream Trading are licensed financial advisors. And as such, we cannot give you any financial, investment, or tax advice, or sleeping advice, health advice, anything like that. It's for educational purposes only. Thank you. Anyway.
Thank you. Come
Thank you.
again.
Come again. Operators are standing by.
Call me.
Good. Thank you, Ann, for that follow. And Double Bounce is back. Talk about pips. I don't like pips. I got one guy in here who likes pips. Every other word comes out of his mouth is pips. Ralph. You still here, Ralph?
Not true.
Double
Not
Bounce wants to know about pips. Please talk about pips. How are they calculated? What is the worth of a pip?
A pip
Tell us
is a
about
percentage
pips.
It's a percentage in points.
Okay.
So, you know, that's how they get it. Like one pip is a 1% move. That's what it says. Percentage in points. That's just an acronym. That's what it stands for.
Mm-hmm. So how much is that in a tick? How many pips in a tick? Or how many ticks in a pip?
It depends on what currency you're trading, you know.
This only
some of
applies
them
to
line up,
currency?
some of them don't.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So a pip is always going to be, this is the yen, the fourth decimal point over. So 0.000, and then the fourth one. And if it's the yen, it'll be on the second one because of how their currency is. You know, and that's how they count pips.
Okay.
But you gotta know in the futures world, it's different for ticks because you got to go off of what the contract specs are to find the tick value. So a pip and a tick are similar, but they're not the same.
Okay. I know. I asked Ralph that question probably, a year ago, and he was trying to explain it to me. It made my head spin. I'm like, all right, stop. I'm getting a headache.
It's very confusing. At first, I thought, hey, that's trying to figure out what a pip was. That almost made me just throw in the towel on trying to learn Forex. But I was thinking about it a little too hard. It's the same thing as, you know, how some people try to make the cross from stocks to futures, and they think it's really hard. But once they get into a trade, they start rolling like how Dave S is right now. You know how Dave S, he was like,
Yeah.
I don't know about taking this. And then he went to Bitmain, and now he just over there slaying MES.
Yeah.
You know? So,
Yep. We had another person come in here trade for the very first time and made 300 and what'd she make today? $316 posted
shout
over
out
there.
to Miranda.
First time. $381.10.
Don't forget the 10 cent.
Never. There you go. Good job. First day. First day. Now, this person has experience in the stock and stock option world, but the first day in here. Good job. All right. Double bounce. Did that help you with your question on that? Ha, Ralph. We got Trader B being funny. Isn't that Gladys Knight and the Pips?
Pips.
Trader B. Trader B, it's for you. Oh, Trader B. I tell you what. It's hard to get. That was just in poor taste. There you go. I got to get me a gong, the gong from the Gong Show. That's what I need. I need me a little tabletop gong. That's what would put this show over the top. If I have one of them little tiny tabletop gongs that whenever we get something corny happen, I go ding on it, gong on it, right? No? Come on.
Absolutely.
What?
I think you should do it.
I think I should. Anyway. Trader B said he needs daily. Hey, Ernie J. Ernie J. Isn't that the guy with isn't that one mannequin's name on with what's his name with he's got all the different, he's got the old grumpy guy and the skeleton guy. Isn't that the one? Isn't Ernie J? Isn't that the name of the one guy?
Jeff Dunham.
Jeff Denham's. Isn't that Ernie J? Is that the name of? Is that the
Bubba
Ernie
J.
J? I know it
Bubba
is.
J.
Oh, Bubba J. All right, I'm sorry, I got confused. Them J's, probably all related. They got the same last name.
He likes Bubba J likes his beers.
Yeah, Bubba. No, they're probably related because Ernie J's. That's his last name. Bubba J. They're spelled the same with the J. They're probably brothers. I would guess. I don't know. Hey, maybe. All right. Anyway, Ernie, it's all good fun. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here. By the way, did Coach say today was the last day for sure on the diamonds? Do we know? Anybody know?
I thought I saw something about that. Let me ask real quick.
Today may be the very last day. Coach announced yesterday to the membership here that the Diamond Membership Program, which is our all-inclusive, everything included membership, plus everything that we will create in the future, all wrapped up in one mega membership package. $5,000 one-time pay, normally priced at $20,000. It's actually a $50,000 value. Well, anyway, we're going to Coach is going to cease and desist from selling any more of those. They will no longer be available for purchase. So if you haven't gotten yours yet, and we're confirming whether it's even still open yet, he may have already closed the door. I don't want to tell you to go there and get it when it's already closed, but I'm almost thinking that today's the last day, if it's not already too late. I'm looking here on the old Discords up here to see if there's anything in there about it. I don't, let's see here. What's this thing say? Let me see. Gotta read through this. Let me see here. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Let me know. I'm reading through our free Discord, which can be found at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Nope, I don't see anything in writing, at least in there. I know he said verbally, but I don't know if that's today or what the deal is. Anyway, Doug's checking it out for us. So if I'm looking at ES, it's still in an upward motion on the DWO play, if you hadn't made a DWO play. It is moving up to the upside. If I had to come in now, I'd be waiting for the break and hold of a critical level, which would be the level it's at right now, that's 63.11. It's already rejected off of that level multiple times and pulled back. Even history will prove that it's been doing that very thing. He's back here, over here, etc. Right? So we'll keep an eye on ES today and see if we can get anything out of that. Anyway, back to that diamond membership. It's our all-inclusive $5,000 one-time pay. We will, during the promotion period, however, allow you to make 2 equal payments. Again, this is all if they still exist. Production asked 62 to 63.27.50. Is that high highlighted on your chart? That's 312.75. What did you write? 327.50. No, 327. Oh, let me see. You're asking about a level that I have. Let me look. I don't have 327. I have 330, but I don't have 327. I have one at 324, one at 330, 327, and 633. I don't have all the ones that you asked about, but that doesn't mean anything. I'd have to go back and double check to see if that's there. All right, Trader B, good job. Made some money today. That's all what's important. All right. So hopefully that answers your question. I don't have a, what's highlighted here is 633 and a quarter. That's just a kind of a gold level that I marked for myself, right? Has the most of my line. Most of my lines are drawn off a 4 hour or a, 4 hour and or a 2 minute. So, all right. What other questions we have? What do they want to know? What do you want to know over there on the YouTube web things over there? Anybody got a question over there? Let's see. Doug is kind enough to put all the promotional links, direct links inside of our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. And what else? We have a total of how many likes over there?
Something in the stock lounge for you, sir.
Is that right? What's in there? Do I really want to go look right now at it? Last time I got suckered into that. I don't know if fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Is that how it goes?
Nah. Third time.
Okay, I'm looking. Wow. Wow, look at that post that's in there. I'm just going to read it out loud. Our futures members and the diamond members that have been into Zoom today are nothing short of amazing human beings. The support that we are seeing from other futures community is inspirational. Thank you I won't say Pinewood for kicking off the discussion that sparked a movement. Outstanding courage to talk about your struggles. Love your face. There you go. All right. What a post. Very good post. All right. So what am I supposed to do? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Dave. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. I got to listen to it, though. It's got to have the right tone to it. Let me replay it. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right one I want there, Dave. I'll take a look at it again later.
Whoever posted that Coco's rehab is brilliant. That is so hilarious.
That's what we're going to call it.
I know. Go look at that.
We're going to remodel a house. Isn't that what we're doing?
Yeah, in the live chat, there's a post. It's so hilarious.
Yeah. Yep. What else? Anyway, where were we? Where was I? Where'd I come from? Who am I? What day is it? All right. Let's see here. Oh, I was reading comments and answering questions if there was one. I don't think there was one. I think I just turned it into one. Let's see here. What else we got? Eric was in the house. I don't know. He might have left already. I don't know. Let's see what else we got going on. Lakeisha says hello. Hello. Ragtag says dang it. Darn cricket. He said their name's J-Dog. Doug. Mickey White. All right. Mickey White says wake up right. I need help. Joining now. Okay. Did you join now, Mickey White? What are you waiting on? Nikki White? Hello? Hello? And I don't really see much more. You guys are a quiet bunch today over here. Why do we only have 6 thumbs up out of... I only have about 25% thumbs up to viewers. That's not a very good ratio. Now it's up to about 30%.
About M2K.
How about M2K? How about...
North.
What's that one? That's the Russell?
Yes,
I'm up
sir.
$60 since the beginning of this 2-minute. Yeah.
Well, right there. Made 60
Yeah.
bucks in 2 minutes there?
Well, since the beginning of this 2-minute EWO.
Oh, did you call
I didn't call it
that?
out
Did you call that
Because
EWO
it's
out?
under VWAP. No, it was under VWAP and the 200 when I went in, so I didn't want to call it out to everybody,
Okay,
you know.
okay, it was a high
Wasn't
risk
safe.
one.
It's
Yeah.
at a resistance point right now.
Yeah.
Well, you got VWAP here. You have the 200 there. I was going to reject it and kick it out, but all right. All right, so let me see. I think Mickey White might need to go somewhere else there, Doug. I don't know. You might want to check that out.
How do you mean?
Oh, looking. Okay. Yeah, I ain't in too much advertising today. I'm just the old boomer who's just not quite down with the downward hip to what they're saying there. You know what I mean? You know, there it is one more time. There's the third one, right? Let's just, there's a back door there, Doug. You want to show them the way to get there? Over there on the YouTubes? Sure you do. For Mickey White over there. On the YouTubes.
Yeah, he says he's joining.
Yeah, that's okay.
Am I missing something?
Yeah, you have to look at read the whole thing and get the whole view of it. And I'm just not feeling it today. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I just, you know. Bye, Felicia. Thanks for stopping by. We believe in positivity here, and not advertising. So we're here as an educational training program, not an advertising agency. Thank you. All right. Hey, Red Tag says it's done for the day. Good for you. Have a great weekend. And come back when you can stay longer. All right.
Says he's paying now. I'm not sure what you're seeing.
No. Let's see. What else do we got? Where did I go here? Why do I look like I'm froze up over there? I don't know. I guess I'm not.
No, you're all right.
And
Zoom
Q second
chat you
red.
are.
I believe now that does it. That's I thought it was an advertisement, but actually that's his whole username. I see.
Yes,
I need help joining now. I misread it. Mickey White. You can go join get our free Discord at AmericanDreamTrading.com and go from there. And we'll be happy to assist you personally, where one of our moderators will take care of any needs that you have. It's totally free if you'd like to do it that way. It's easier to communicate. Also, all you have to do is go to Stock Lounge and say, hey, I need help. And one of our friendly moderators who's standing by will be there to assist you. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Scroll down, get that free Discord. Make sure you verify your account once you get there. Or after 24 hours, the system will think you are a bot and it will boot you from our system.
Yeah, just look for me when you come into the Discord and I'll get you squared away.
All right. Mickey White. Okay. Let me know how that works out there, Doug.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Let me see here. Chad's gone for the day. Ragtag's gone for the day, but yeah, it was over on YouTube. All right. Check that out. Okay. Everybody, let me see. What's moving? What do you got? Who's moving there, Christine? What's up? What's happening? What is moving that we can make money off of today, Christina? I would say ES. How's that? We'll just pick.
I don't know.
We'll
I haven't
just,
looked at everything yet. I'm in the Russell.
well, you're into Russell? Well, you're looking at something then. So you don't want us in a Russell with you? You don't want us in a Russell with you? Why didn't you tell us about the Russell?
It's not a good one. It's
Well,
not a good,
let me decide that. Why are you holding back from me? I might think it's the world's greatest trade. Oh, we never tell anybody whether it's good or bad to get in or out. We just say, look at the Russell.
Look at it.
There we go. Now, okay. Yeah. Let me go. Oh, Christina mentioned the Russell. Let me go look at the Russell. Let me decide whether I really want to enter this trade or not.
Yeah, it's.
Why do we do it that way, Christina? Because we're trained to make our own decisions by coach. Yeah. We are not a call-out group. Yeah. We train you. Call-outs. And I would look at this trade and say, you know what I'd say about this trade, Christina? Trash.
Yeah, well, I made 50 on it, and then I got out, and now I'm in again just for a little bit. And, yeah, I'm like not making anything yet.
Oh, I think I'm going to go all in on this trade. I can tell this is, I got a feeling. I got a feeling this is going to go to the moon.
Oh. Push it all in the middle.
What happened last time you did that?
Well, actually, now I got a feeling that it's going to go to the basement.
I think that feeling is just gas.
Wait a minute.
That's what I was thinking.
Wait a minute. I got a different feeling now. I think it's going to go to the moon.
I got a feeling.
Yeah, we were in have music therapy today, so everybody's got music on their mind. It's better than sunshine on your shoulder, though. Better to have music on your mind, I would say.
Is it?
Yeah, it's also better than looking back, too, So, Anyhow.
Don't look back. That was a Boston song.
There you go. There you go.
Futures education and music trivia all in one package.
Yes. Well, we use music therapy here to help us be calm in entering our trades. We don't do that as a service to American Day Trading. If individual vendors want to do it, they can. Anyway, that's all on you. What are we looking at, Christina? Oh, Russell, where's my entry point? That's what we can discuss. Let's talk about this, which looks like a crap trade right now, but we'll discuss it. What is, if this would just suddenly wake up, if somebody pokes the bear and it wakes up, what would be my entry criteria in this trade? If I was going to play this to the downside, what would I look for before I enter this trade to the downside?
I would look for break and hold 2252.9. Below that has to brake and hold. And for above, it would have to hit VWAP and get brake and hold over VWAP. That's what I would do.
That's correct. You now have 50 points.
Thank you. Woo.
I'll take the dollar equivalent. Thanks.
Okay. You won 2 ticks on your next trade.
Nice. I like that.
Good job, Christina.
Thank you.
All right. What? Okay, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, I said apologize, Day Dog. I thought it was said, I thought he was pushing some book or something. I don't know.
No.
There was a whole title there, Mickey White, Wake Up Right. And it says paying now. That sounded like an advertisement. I'm sorry, I apologize. I said I saw it. I thought it was just, I don't know. I'm old. I just trying to figure out this whole interweb things without having a meltdown.
Say it for us, Christina. Never mind.
That's too much. Never mind.
Never mind.
Anyway, did something get completed there, Doug?
I believe we have, if this is his Discord name, we have a new futures member. So let's get
All right.
in.
That's all right. What's the Discord? Is that Mickey Wright? Wake Up Right? I would imagine. Did he take advantage of the special Boomer offer today?
You see which one again?
Because that one was...
He did futures.
Okay.
So...
Yes, Boomer needs a nap. Boomer can't keep his eyes open. Boomer's loopy. You took advantage of the Boomer special there, Mickey White? Wake Up Right? That's good. Who took care of you? How do you take care of that? Was that on the website, or were you assisted by a moderator?
There he is right there.
That's what I want to know. Did a moderator system, or did you do that directly through the website?
I think he went right to the website.
Okay. What is next? You should receive an email that would highlight where to start here kind of thing. Check your email. If you don't see it, check your spam email. It's not spam, but sometimes it will go there. Some users have reported finding it in their spam mailbox. So check if you don't see it, you went through the website, he said. Okay. Thank you.
He went through the website. He's a monthly.
Oh, monthly? Okay. Cool. Congratulations.
Very nice. Very nice.
That's very nice. Correct answer. There you go. Anyway, good to have you here with us. New member of AmericanDreamTrading.com. Anyhow, make sure when you get in there, into our Discord, say, go into the stock lounge, right? And in the futures lounge. So check that out. Dave, you got your hand up, Dave? What's up, Dave? Dave's old. He might have fell asleep, napping, waiting his turn. Dave, hello? David, hello? Hello? You're the best around. See if music wakes him up, David. Huh? How about a train? Did that wake you up, Dave? Dave? Oh, well. He must really be out. He ain't answering. All right. We'll wait on him to come back. If you hear us, Dave, when you come back. All right. Got it. You got the email. All right. I would highly recommend that you would do those things on the email. Basically, just come into the Discord, and it just shows you how to do things. Anyway, they'll save you a lot of headaches sometime, especially if you're not familiar with Discord. If you already pretty much understand how a Discord works, get in there, say hi. You should be able to get into stock lounge, say, hey, go in and introduce yourself. Just say, hey, I'm Mickey White, Wake Up Right. Just joined the Futures monthly program. So
he's in there.
All right, cool. Welcome. Then hop on over to the Futures Lounge where you should have access. Once you verify your account, you have to verify your account if it's not already. Is there an operator standing by to assist him?
He's all.
Huh?
He's all set.
He's all set already? That fast?
He's in, man. He's already paid. He's good to go.
All right. Attaboy.
We just got to get him to do the Discord or the Zoom so he can pop in and say hi to everyone.
Right, and that's all outlined in that email. So
yeah,
make sure you check that.
We also have another new member, KS3777. Be present.
Oh, be present?
Mm-hmm.
We already have somebody named Be Present.
I know.
We got a second Be Present from Be Present? Is that Be Present's friend, cousin, friend, enemy, frenemy, relative, relation, or is it just a coincidence?
I don't know. Not sure why.
She's not in here right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, one of our paid members.
He's a diamond.
All right. Why am I getting an image from somebody?
Oh, it got deleted. All right.
What?
I saw Miranda post something, and then it got deleted. So
yeah. That ain't the way it looks like right now. Why they said Bruno? He's trying to mess with my brain. I already fixed it. Go away. This is the way it looks now. Right there. That's the way it looks. I don't know what you're looking at. What are you looking at? There we go.
You got the Russell right there. What's the Russell doing? Do the Russell.
Do the Russell. I can't. We'll get banned. YouTube does have no sense of humor about that stuff.
no, they don't.
No, unless it's something obscure. Well, sometimes you can get away if you play a very, very, very short clip. I'm trying to take a screenshot here. Hang on. There we go. There we go. There's that. Nothing wrong with that. Somebody go there. Miranda, go over and tell Bruno that let's fix that 2 hours ago. I'll tell you. Let me see here. I got to send a picture. Somebody's freaking out. He thinks it's all messed up. It ain't all messed up. It's just fine the way it is. Fix that. Fixed 3 hours ago. I tell you what, these this is another fad ain't gonna last. I can tell you that right now. These cellular things, these little cell phone things, it's a fad. It ain't gonna last. There ain't no way. They're too complicated. They do too many things. I don't understand them. I can't even figure out. They said there's my address books on there. I don't see anything from Ma Bell on there. I can't find. There ain't no phone book on there. I'll show you a phone book. I got a phone book over here. It's a big old yellow thing.
I'll look at the Russell again.
Oh, Russell, yes. I'll do the hustle. There we go.
It broke my line.
It broke your line.
2 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, Mike broke my line that I just gave you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that one you told us about. Yeah. So look at that pull. Hey, guess what time it is? It's power hour. Oh, look at that, Christina. Is that not exciting to see that happen live? Should I get in that? Should I go all in, Christina? Huh?
Not tax, financial, or investment advice.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We can all do that. We don't do that here, do we? Why?
We don't do that.
Because neither I or anybody else associated with AmericanDreamTrading.com are licensed financial advisors. That's such. We can never give you financial investment tax insurance, unlike some of the other TikTokers, which break the law and tell you when to buy and when to sell and give you advice and act all important. Yeah, that's illegal. Oh, can't do that. We are an education training program. We want to help you to acquire the skills necessary to be able to make your own decisions on when to enter a trade and when to exit. You don't want to be sitting around being dependent on some old dude sitting around in front of a camera and who God knows what he's really wearing. He might be dressed like Winnie the Pooh. You just never know. In his basement, touting stuff, right? You don't know this guy. For Adam, what if this guy you're looking right now just disappears? Now what do you do? Now you don't know when to buy, you don't know when to sell, right? Especially, you don't want to take advice from somebody who's possibly dressed up like Winnie the Pooh, right? Going all poo, right? Don't want that. If you don't know what that is, you'll have to look that up on your own. I can't explain it. One of these little millennial Xers, Gen Z people told me about it the other day, about Winnie the Pooh. So I don't know. Anyway, apparently there's some of them people that sit at home and dress like Winnie the Pooh, and I don't know. Didn't sound very nice to me. But anyway, you don't want to have to take advice from some random person, some old guy like me on the interwebs, right? What if I am not here anymore? Well, you don't know what to do now, right? You don't know whether to buy or sell. You don't even know what to look at. Well, we want to give you we want to educate you on those things. It's not easy. It's hard. It's not that easy. But once you acquire the skills needed, it becomes a lot easier. So, but can you do the Batman dance? Yes, I can, as a matter of fact. No, I can't. I don't dance. This white man don't dance. Let's see. Why didn't you call out the cues? How do you know we didn't, Brandon? You just showed up. We could have called it 30 seconds before you got here, Brandon. Did you ever think of that? Huh? Okay, favorite Kathleen would have to be, what's her name? Oh, definitely. Jane, I'm brain dead. Come on. What's her name?
What's the question?
The women that played Catwoman. Who's your favorite Catwoman? I'll tell you what, Eartha Kitt was pretty nice back in the day.
Russell.
And
Michelle Pfeiffer.
Julie Newmar. That's it. Yeah, Julie Newmar. Well, Eartha Kitt, I'll tell you what, they're all pretty good. Julie Newmar, Eartha Kitt, a little bit of Lee Merriweather, and I'd say she'd come in third. Well, Halle Berry, she always looks good in tights anyway, I don't know. Michelle Pfeiffer, that was a little, whatever. I'm going to have to say, I don't know. I'm going to have to say Julie Newmar, back in the Batman days, on TV. I don't know. They're all pretty good. They pick them for a reason. Slap some patent leather on them. And, hey, you're Catwoman now. Right? So, anyway. What are we doing, Christina? There they are, taking me down a rabbit hole I didn't want to go to. Christina, are we in this trade?
No.
Who asked that question and got me off track anyway? I want that person banned. Who asked me that?
It wasn't hard to get you off track. You're pretty tired.
Trading pennies. How did we get to that? How did we get to my favorite? Who's my favorite Catwoman? What's got in there?
You must have dozed off and took a little nap, and that's where it went. That's what happened.
Wow. Now they're talking about Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
Why are they talking about Winnie the Pooh over there on YouTube? I don't know.
That's what you're wearing?
Oh, me? I didn't say it was me.
Oh.
Name the members of the 27 Club. Jim Morrison, Jimi Hendrix, Janis Joplin. There's about 4 or 5 more. There, I named the top ones.
Jimi Hendrix?
I said that already.
Oh, did you? Sorry.
I named all my favorite ones. They're no longer there. As a matter of fact, I have an album within 10 feet of me of everyone who I just named. Vinyl. Vinyl. You remember vinyl, Christina? I know you grew up in the cassette age.
I have tons of vinyl. I love vinyl.
I love vinyl. There's nothing better than vinyl. Vinyl is the only way to play music.
That's right.
I don't care what them young Gen Z, millennial, beta people say. And speaking of dumb names, who came up with Generation Beta? Does that mean they're under a test? They're a test generation? I don't know. What. Isn't a beta a test? Or are they the fish?
Maybe they're test tube babies. Maybe that's why.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they're a fish. Isn't the beta a fish? Maybe they're the fish generation.
Yeah, maybe.
James Dean Games. Do I work for a firm? And besides the foundation of trading, do you help with proprietary kind of insight? I'm trying to get out of the retailer mindset. Well, welcome to my world. We're retailers. And no, we don't work for a foundation. We're not a brokerage outfit. We're not licensed financial advisors. We are AmericanDreamTrading.com, where Coach educates us on everything trading. However, we are not licensed to do so. It's all for purely entertainment purposes only. We will never tell you when to buy or sell anything. However, we will educate you to be able to make those decisions on your own. Do we have proprietary information? I guess the legal answer to that would be no. I mean, we do create our own content, that type of stuff. It's not allowed to be used without the express written consent of American Dream Trading.com, one of those kind of things. But is there any super uber secrets to what we do? Not necessarily. However, there's some variations and things that Coach has developed, trading strategies that he's personally developed over his lifespan into trading. He's got over 33 years, but it's nothing that's, it's a variation of something, probably would be the best way. It's a unique way of saying it. But yeah, we're not a J.R. Wentworth, right? We're not a Vanguard. We're not a Fidelity. We're not an institutional thing here, right? We're a group of traders all gathered together in one large multi-thousands and thousands of member group, and we listen to the sound of Coach's voice. He educates us. He doesn't tell us what to do, what to buy. He has a set of rules that he requires us to follow. He wants us to follow because he wants to see us be successful. Success is never guaranteed anyway. We follow Coach's rules and come in and be present, listen to the sound of his voice, show up regularly every day, ask questions, take notes. The paid membership does have its privileges. You get up to 12 hours a day of live Zoom call where you can interact with other members, ask questions directly through a live open mic, and that's what we do. We start training and trading at 4 a.m. daily, depending on your membership level. Diamond and VIP Gold get up to 12 hours of training and trading every day, Monday through Friday, and the Gold membership and the Diamond membership also have Saturday training. And there's all kinds of different workshops and all that stuff. So, what don't you know you're missing? Well, James Dean, have you watched and listened to Coach at all from 9 to 11 a.m. daily? It's absolutely free, just like this show is. You could go over, right now we're running promos, some of which are about to disappear. If you want to go take a look at them, that's up to you. You can continue watching live. No obligation one way or another. This is totally free. Of course, you're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. But if you want to come in here and just think you're going to start making $1 million, you need to come in and empty your cup, right? This is not get rich. This is learn how to do these things. How do we day trade? How do we long-term trade? How do we do crypto and futures, stocks and stock options, right? We're an education and training company, right? It's right here where you're at right now. You can watch on YouTube and or TikTok. It's called some ADT Coach. There's a link. As a matter of fact, you can go over and get our free Discord at AmericanDreamTrading.com. The links are also in there. We're right here live every day here on this channel that you're watching us right now. If you like the YouTubes, matter of fact, there, James. If you go to our YouTube channel, which you are presently in, go to the actual channel, click on the channel name, which you'll find underneath my face down there where it says American Dream. We have over 2,000 training videos, absolutely free, that you could start looking at this very moment. Go right in there and look, right? So those are absolutely free. That's just a taste of what we do here. Let's face it, the reason we are doing this for absolutely free for the community is to get our name out there and to get people to want to up their education and buy paid memberships. If that fits the bill, QQQ, what?
Free.
Free. Oh, the Discord. So, here's what I challenge you. You got the whole weekend here, right? You already know where our channel's at. You're in it, right? American Dream Trading. Make sure you click subscribe and notify. Every time we go live here, you'll get a notification. Coach is right here on this channel live every Monday through Friday from 9 to 11. All right. Then I'm live from 2 to 4 talking about futures. And then we have the aftermarket show starting at 5 p.m. with Dawn right here on our channel, right? So we broadcast all the major social medias, obviously TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitch, Kicks, A bunch of other ones that I can't tell you. I don't know what the names of them are off the top of my head. But if you truly want to know, you can go watch all weekend for free, right? And all those videos we have, and then come back. If you want to get a membership then, unless you want to go all in now, that's up to you. Well, I will tell you, we are running some special promos right now. The one is the Diamond membership, which is going to end. That is our all-in-one everything membership, all right? That's so you can trade stock options, crypto, and futures at your leisure, however you want. It's a one-time pay, never ever pay again. It's $5,000, one-time pay, or you can break it up into 2 monthly payments of $2,500 each. So not only does it include that, it includes all our a la cartes. Everything you find on our website is included in this one membership package. It's the mother of all memberships. As a matter of fact, why don't we just let Coach, should we just let Coach tell him about it? Wouldn't that be easier?
I think we should. Coaches.
I think Coach, it'd probably be easier if we just let Coach tell him about the Diamond membership. What do you think? All right, here we go.
Luckily today have rolled into the largest and fastest stock market education company the world has ever seen. Again, if I were you, seriously take advantage of the Diamond Lifetime membership. Last 2 days with that, you'll get access to the membership lounge. You will have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks. You'll get the pre-market setup, the IPO center, any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. The VIP membership, with that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. You guys will get the VIP training videos and the Trading View indicators, the gold add-on. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. You'll get weekend training. You'll get the VIP gold lounge access, priority help desk support. Our news service, you'll get all the breakout rooms. Everything, of course, for you will be recorded for crypto, futures, or stocks and options. You'll get our live Apple chat. You'll get our futures membership. And, of course, all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, I believe that one now includes the Trading View indicator. Same thing, all the training videos, anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now, the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24 hours, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. You get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, right? Meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. And I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that with just this $5,000. If you can't get it today, don't worry. You can still get it, but it's going to be 20 grand. All right, so don't freak out. Any Diamond members, you want to speak up about the Diamond membership program? Do you like it? Is it dog crap? Should they avoid it? Is it trash? Talk to me. Let the world know.
Do it. Best investment ever.
Remember, guys, you have to invest in yourself. Please invest in yourself.
Coach, I think it's dog crap because I can't get anything else done. There's so much training available. It takes up all your free time. The training is massive. You're just never going to stop learning with it. Get the Diamond.
Mm-hmm. There you go. And there you go.
Get the Diamond.
Get the Diamond. That Diamond. That one guy, that Matt guy on there, man, he just all for it, ain't he? He's just all super excited. You know, he's an excitable individual, that Matt guy.
Got my diamond.
You got your diamond?
Yours? Yeah. I got mine. You got yours?
Yes.
That was for all the audience out there. Get yours.
Get yours now. Get it now. Yes. James Dean Games, may I offer you a suggestion? Usually when we find people follow, well, I know this is a fact. Let's put it that way. When people follow many people, they are a mind divided up into 15 pieces that when you try to hook all them pieces back together are totally worthless. Why? Because you're chasing people. You're chasing a shiny penny. You're going to chase, the latest strategy. Who's got the latest buzzwords trading indicator thing? The magical potion. The magical potion, right? If you watch Coach at all, you'll see he's no nonsense, straight to the point. He wants to see you succeed. He's got over 33 years. If you're watching this guy and that guy and this guy and that guy, what kind of results do they have? You know, I'm not saying who you're looking at now ain't worth anything. I don't know. I don't follow other people. I've seen what they do, but you're in so deep, right? But you know, that's up to you. I mean, obviously you're searching for something that you're not getting now because you're with other people, but yet you're in here publicly, and I get it. You're in here and you're listening to us, and you're welcome to come and stay anytime you want, as long as you want. So we welcome you to put everything that Coach says anytime between 9 and 11. If you can watch for free, then I challenge you, or you can go watch it. Actually, you can go right here on YouTube and watch him. Compare what he has to say, how he says it, how he trains, the passion in his voice, the way he trains, right? How our community interacts with each other. I will put everything we got here up against anything you even thinking about listening to over there. Now, do we have the only way of doing things? No, obviously not, right? We're not saying, but we are the largest online education and training program out there on the whole interwebs, in the whole earth, in the whole universe, right? Can't disprove the universe part, right? Unless you're going out in the universe. But anyway, you get my drift. I will challenge you to do your own independent research. If you want to do it, if you don't have time to watch Coach between 9 and 11, well, guess what? Every one of our recordings from 9 to 11, and for me from 2 to 4, and Dawn from 5 to 6, 6:30, 7 o'clock for the aftermarket show is all right there on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. So check that out. When you get tired of chasing 15 other gurus and you want to listen to what Coach has to say, and you're willing to come in with an empty cup and embrace what he says, because if you're trying to institute 15 different things to accomplish one goal, it's not going to happen. You'll end up confused and you'll be overdoing it. No, I understand. You don't have to buy a membership. You can sit here and listen for free. I'm just asking you to compare. Just do it on independent. Let us know whether it's a week from now, a month from now. That's just my challenge to you. Yes, we're here to get you into our membership program. We can get into premium for $125 a month, but compare what we would show you for free. Go look at them. Let us know. That's my challenge to you there, buddy. Glad you could be here with us, right?
Absolutely.
Exactly. So, no, I get it, you know. People don't have the money. People don't have the money for the $5,000 premium diamond membership, but they'll come in on a monthly, and that's fine too. And they'll usually upgrade down the road, right? Something else, but and it's fine. You do you. We're not here we don't want high pressure sales. Matter of fact, we only talk about it a couple times in the 2 hours that we're in here, right? So,
yep.
But anyway, if you need any help, questions, check it out, compares, look, see what you think. Coaches, you'll see Coach's thumbnail on his videos, the 9 to 11 ones. Mine are in there too, and so is Dawn's on the aftermarket. Or you can listen live on all the social medias during those same time periods if you want to listen live. But my guess is if you're listening to other people, you're probably listening to them at that same time period. So all I could say is, do they offer a live open mic 12 hours a day where you can ask and answer any questions? Do you have access? Can you actually speak to the person you're paying for? Or is it just to sit there and watch? Do you have a live open Zoom call 12 hours a day, 5 days a week? Guess what? We do. Do you have a mentor? Is the people you're following, do they have 33 years or more experience in the markets? I would venture a guess to say no. Do they have one of the largest trading communities in the entire universe? I would venture to say they don't. Matter of fact, I don't even care about the size, who's is bigger. You know, we're not here to measure who's is bigger, but I would put our community up against any other community out there, right? For we all want to see each other succeed. So
That's right. It's not about the size anyway. It's about the success.
Exactly. That's my point, right? So anyway, welcome.
How we grew.
we are glad that you could be here. All I would ask
Like that,
is,
Coco.
all I would ask is that, if you do accept my challenge, be publicly available, be publicly post what you found out. If you think it's like dog crap, then yeah, I looked at ADT. I don't like their style, and we get it. We're not for everybody. You may not like our style, and that's fine. But if you do, let us know that too. We'd be interested. Even if you never buy a membership, we would appreciate your feedback. How's that? Right? All right. Doesn't get much better than that. And if you want to join our free Discord, you can do that also at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Check it out. And all our membership information is there also. So, anyhow, welcome to you, sir. I assume you're a sir with the James Dean Games. Now, it could be a female, I suppose. All right. What else we got? What else we want to know? Questions. Who's got questions? Because we have answers. But yes, we are not licensed financial advisors. And the reason and part of the reason, could we all go get, could I have a license? Well, let me tell you, I had one 30 years ago. I don't know. Shoot, has it really been 30 years? Yeah, probably about a little over. What year is this? 25?
Mm-hmm.
How long have I been married? 43 years? 44 years? 30, whatever. Yeah, about 30 years ago, I had a securities license. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So that doesn't make you an expert, right? Just means you could answer the questions on a test. But with that license, with that piece of paper, it also restricts what you can say and do, right? So that's one of the reasons we could all go get one. I could go get a Series 7, Series 11, whatever, tomorrow, right? All I'd have to do is sign up to go take the test. I can assure you now I would need some updates on probably the P&L lines, but I could do all. I could assure you I could walk in there and pass one of them tests. Matter of fact, that when I did take that test years ago, that was the hardest test I've ever taken in my life. It was so hard. I mean, I passed it. I think I only missed like 2 questions on the whole thing, but I was sweating. I had no idea. That's when computers first came in over there, and they started putting testing on computers, and you go in there and, answer the questions on the computer. And it's an all-day deal, or half a day, whatever. It's a long time. Sit there and answer questions, a bazillion questions. And that was probably the only test that I did not know whether I passed or failed when I took it. I was reasonably sure I did, but I really didn't know. Oh my gosh, gotta shut the show down. Hang on, I dropped my fidget spinner. Where'd it go? Shut it down. Where'd it go?
Doug,
Oh, there it is.
Wizard posted his futures.
Oh man, I had an anxiety attack without my fidget spinner. So anyway, yes, could we go get the license? Yeah, I guarantee you I could get it without much effort. That's how sure I am of myself. But with having that license, that restricts what we can do also, right? So there's advantages and disadvantages to it. But anyhow, if Coach told me he wanted me to go get a license for whatever goofy reason he wanted to get me to get it, sign me up. I'll be there next week to take the test. Anyhow, that's not matter because it doesn't matter. Anyway, we're glad you could be here. Just remember, a piece of paper ain't everything sometimes. All right. What else we got? What's moving, Christina?
I'm waiting to see about the Russell. I just got out again. I've been scalping the Russell.
Okay.
Do the Russell.
Do the hustle.
Yes.
Dun,
Do the
dun,
Russell.
dun, dun, dun,
Yeah, I've been
dun,
scalping it.
dun, dun, dun. Wow. Let me see here.
Yes, is fighting to the downside.
We got a new sound, Christina. Did you hear
For
it?
me, or just a new sound?
No,
in
just a
general?
new sound.
Oh, okay.
I'm not talking about this sound. Not that one. I wouldn't play that one. You know which one I'm talking about? I wouldn't play this one. Yeah, because I can't do that live, But this is our new sound.
Okay.
I love when a plan comes together.
Wow, that's kind of rough sounding there.
I heard that yesterday.
I love when a plan comes
Oh, did you?
together.
All right. Okay. Well, you know, we just don't see it like we used to. I can't keep track of where you're at. Ready? All right. What's going on over there in the Momo 825? Hi, I'm new in Foxes. What? Is that what that says, Bucko? Walter just joined. Thank you, Walter. Joining the thing. And Creative, thank you for joining. Spash, thank you for the follows and the likes and the shares. And James Dean over there on there. Good to see you over there on TikTok also. What are we asking over there? Let's see. Let's see. Let me see. What?
Mickey's in the Zoom.
What?
Mickey's in the Zoom.
Who's in the Zoom?
Mickey.
Mickey, our new guy?
Mickey White's in the Zoom.
Oh, really? Mickey?
How you doing, Mark?
Hey, Mickey. Good to see you. Welcome as a new member. You figured out the Zoom, got registered. Congratulations, sir.
I'm excited.
Good. We want you to take your time. Don't get overexcited now. Take your time. We want you to. Did you bring an empty cup or is your cup full?
My cup is empty, you know, waiting to be filled.
All right, good. I didn't know if you had a whole lot of experience and you were going to come in and save the world or not. You never know, right? So
yeah, I have experience, but I know to humble myself and
cool.
Raise what I'm already doing.
Good.
See something new. You know?
Good. How did you hear about us, Mickey?
Well, I've been trading with you silently in the morning and the afternoons, and so I've been getting some good takeaways, and it's been working. But there's some things I need to work on, like discipline, and I think that's more important than the skill. So those are things that I need to work on, and also it's also a good idea to trade with other people as well.
Yes, it is. Our community does make a difference, right? What you'll find, probably more than anything, if it doesn't come across on our lives, is that we do really care to see each other succeed. Now, does that mean that everybody in our group succeeds? No. People come in here and blow up their accounts just like anywhere else, right? Because they don't want to follow the rules. They don't want to listen to the sound of coach's voice. You know, the rules are there to help you preserve your account, and that's more important. Train more, trade less. Don't be in a hurry. Have you traded futures before?
I've been trading ES and MNQ lately. Been having some success. You know, just to give you a background, I was a director of sales for an S&P 500 company for the last 13 years. They did a reorg, dissolved our business channel, and of course they got a great package, everything is good, but I don't want to go back into corporate America, and I have some offers on the table, but that's just not my direction. I think it's time for me to fly solo, and I think this is a great opportunity where I'm able to take control of my time.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Well, I went that same path, kind of.
Yeah.
I was here 3 months and decided that, you know, I don't think I want to go 9 to 5 ever again. I don't I don't want to answer to anybody. I don't have to go work in a hot factory yelling at people all day to do their jobs for 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? It gets old after a while.
Right, glorified babysitting.
Yeah, well, I mean, don't get me wrong. I enjoyed every place I worked. I enjoyed what I did. I was fortunate not to have a job that I hated, ever.
Yeah.
I mean, I grew tired of them just like anybody else does, right? But I never went, I was never one to go, and I wouldn't anyway. I'm not going to go work for somebody and go in there and literally hate coming to work every day. Did I dread going in some days more than others? Well, sure. But and then I worked for, I was laid off, 3 times, 4 times, whatever it was, okay? 3 to 4 different corporations in my working career. And I was fortunate enough to work for good companies, even though some of them invited me to go work elsewhere. Business decisions. But anyway, seems every time a recession come around type of thing. So if you will come in and really listen and train more and trade less, We can't guarantee you success, but I can guarantee you your failure. How's that? Would you like to take that guarantee?
Right.
Here's the guarantee. It's triple your non-money back ever offer. If you don't listen to the sound of Coach's voice, if you do not follow the rules, Coach's rules, which I'm sure you've heard, you're pretty much guaranteeing your failure. Coming in here, blowing up your account and all those things, okay?
Right.
So, yeah, like you say, I probably like your attitude. You're going to come in with an empty cup. You've been watching Coach then from 9 to 11, off and on?
Right, yes. And for the last, I had a good streak. I think I went almost 8 or 9 days green.
Good.
And, after I came in Monday green, and then Tuesday and Wednesday were pretty challenging for me. Tuesday after I got through, I journalized exactly what happened, and I could just see where all the rules that you broke,
Yeah.
So it's basically when I fail, it always aligns with me not following the rules.
There you go. That is the correct answer. There you go.
He's already journaling and everything. He's on his way.
Journaling, too. Well, that's good. You have been listening, right? All right, good. We do start our live Zooms in the Futures membership, since that's what you purchased to get in here, right? At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That's with who you're looking at now, and Doug and Ange and Ralph, and probably another, 100 people or so in that small group. We all want to see each other. We're a group within the group, right? But we all start at the same place. But you'll find we want to see everyone in the room succeed, right? But you got to do the work. You got to do the listen. You got to listen. You got to, what you're doing already right now. You got a good attitude. You got, understand what things you should do to help improve your chances of success in the long term. So look forward to meeting y'all tomorrow. Come on in. We start at 8:30 Eastern. You'll come into the Zoom lounge there. You'll see you're in the Discord already, right?
Yes.
You should have access to the Futures Lounge there. You'll see a channel that says Zoom. All right.
Okay.
So that's the same way you got in here, right?
Right.
Okay, so you already know what to do. Yeah. So at 8:30 tomorrow morning, that live link will appear there, and you'll be able to click that, and you'll enter it just the same way as you did right here. It's the same. This Zoom call has been going on since 8:30 this morning.
I think you mean Monday, tomorrow, Saturday.
Or Monday, yeah. Today's a Friday.
Monday, okay.
Yeah, Monday.
Do you have Saturday training, though, for not in the Futures group, but you have general Saturday training?
Yeah, for VIP Gold and Diamond memberships. Yeah, that's next level. You currently purchased the Futures to start with, correct?
Yeah, just start with.
Okay. Yeah, that's a standalone. Yeah, that's standalone. It's all right. Get your feet in the door, right? You don't get in Coach's Zoom, but that's okay. You can't be two places at once anyway. So you'll find that we try to our hardest and darndest to espouse everything that comes out of Coach's mouth. So.
Okay.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. So starting at 8:30 tomorrow or Monday, you will have live access to an open mic in our live Zoom call to ask questions as much as you please. Deep dive into anything you please. Starting at 8:30 a.m., going through 4 p.m. each and every day, Monday through Friday. Who else on the interwebs does that? Absolutely freaking nobody. Nobody does it. Nobody. You've got to pay. Some of these guys charge $10,000. You don't even get to talk to them. You can't ask them a question. They don't have a live Zoom call that you can go in there and sit with them all day. Nothing.
You can't come into a Zoom and get beat up by Mark.
Right. We're not afraid to smack you around here either. There you go. There's your first one. There you go. There you go. You've been initiated. There you go. Okay. So yeah, we have a good time. Plus we are dead serious when it comes to making money, though. I mean, we want to see everybody succeed. And you'll find everybody's pretty open. Now we have members, even some sitting in this room right now. There's 43 in here still left today. You'll never hear a word out of them. You don't even know who they are because they don't talk, and that's fine. No, but that's fine. That's their membership. They paid for it. They can use it how they want. If they just want to sit there, it doesn't mean they're not successful. Doesn't mean they are either, right? You don't know. They never talk. That would be my ultimate goal, is if every member in here would actually talk. But some people are just bashful and uncomfortable public speaking, and some just don't care to, right? But again, it's your membership. You use it however you want. If you want to show up once every 6 months, well, so be it. That's on you, right? That's your membership. Right. But how they encourage you to use it every single day. But good. We'll look forward to seeing you Monday, 8:30 a.m. Look for that Zoom link to go live, and you'll be able to click on it and shoot on in here. And
let me ask you this real quick, if you don't mind.
No, go ahead.
This weekend, shall I watch some videos on the EWO? Because I think.
Yeah, you could do that for absolutely free. You'll find some in our Discord, but with the Futures membership, you may not have access. There are some videos available in our Futures Lounge there. I would say, well, you already know how to trade. You understand the futures and all that already, right?
The basics, like I just know.
Okay.
MES, everything based off of SPY. I would
all right.
need to improve with like the oil and
yeah. What broker do you use?
I'm on Webull.
Oh, okay, good. Do you have a trading?
The hard way. I was on Robinhood and lost some money on some contracts because it wasn't executing fast enough.
Right. Yeah. They're okay for long-term buy and hold kind of things.
Yeah.
Do you have a TradingView subscription?
Yes, I got the TradingView charts. I'm using the 9, the 21.
Okay.
VWAP.
Well, you with your paid membership, you get Coaches 3.0 indicators and any upgrades and everything comes out in the future.
Okay.
So if there's videos on how to do that, also how to install that, you have to have a paid membership, which you do. So that's cool. Yeah. First things first. Go through the welcome email and actually. We spend thousands and thousands of hours creating these things so make people's lives easier. And if you'll follow that email, please, and run through all the things that says do this first and watch these videos, it'll give you a good introduction, not only to American Dream Trading, but where to find all the stuff that you need to find.
Okay.
As we get people, we know if people watch the videos, of course, so you can tell if anybody watched them. And I'm just hoping that you'll be one of the few that actually watches them, because people will not watch them and they'll want to fill out a help desk ticket and they've never even looked at the video, which would have had all the answers that they needed. So, but I would highly encourage you to spend, I don't know how long it take you, open up that welcome email, go through it step by step, and do the things it asks you to do. Right? It's basically welcome to the family kind of thing. Here's how to navigate around that type of thing. And then you can go look at, over there on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading, watch videos. Yeah, you can look at the EWO. I would highly recommend you do that. There's over 2,000 videos over there on our website, our web page on YouTube, and some within the Discord. I would highly recommend you watch the ones that are grouped by topic, EWO ones. That'll get you a good start. So, anywho, welcome.
Thank you.
Let us know in 30 days what you think, right?
Okay.
So, see you at 8:30 Monday morning.
I will be there.
Say tomorrow again.
Tomorrow, yeah. Well, I say tomorrow because we never sleep here at American Dream Trading. We're always roaming the halls 24 hours a day. There's always somebody. Yeah, I can assure you, if you get up at 2 a.m. and post a message in our Discord asking for help, somebody will help you.
Nice.
Matter of fact, I am sure of it, that it will happen. So, just because we have that many people. So, operators are standing by to assist your call. So, anyway. All right, everybody open your mics. Welcome to Michael. Right?
Welcome, Michael.
Michael H.
Welcome, Michael.
Welcome, Michael.
Like he's already on his way. He's got a good start.
Oh, that Matt Tech guy, he's one you want to stay away from. That guy ain't right.
Yeah, he's shady.
Yeah, he's shady. He's shady character.
Should be shady.
Yeah, shady.
Smart. I'll tell you that.
Oh, yes, he is. Full of energy, ain't you, Matt? Yeah. You bet you know what? You bet you know what? Look at that downturn on the Russell there. RTY. And where's Christina at? She didn't even.
Christina, you still in the Russell?
She don't even tell me about it. Come on,
Christina made enough to be able to go from buying 5 or 6 contracts to 1 mini.
Woohoo!
And I'm up an extra $100 for that. I'm up almost $200.
All right.
Big girl pants on.
I put the big girl pants on.
Big girl pants back on again. The big bloomers. Watch out.
Yep, stopped out.
Yeah.
But I'm not putting my stop too far away because I'm keeping it that 1 tick so I don't lose any. I don't want to pay for fees. So I'm not taking any chances. Not yet.
Okay. Well, it's the end of the day. We're not supposed to be trading this time of the day anyway. That's one of Coach's rules, but for inexperienced traders, okay. Anyway, we know that.
You can do it!
There you go.
Thanks.
Long as a squirrel don't run by.
That's right. As long as I don't get distracted.
No, not at all, right?
All right.
All right, good. First step of many to get where you want to go, right? Again.
That's right. Again. I know.
Make sure you maintain a cushion.
Yeah.
Okay, so which one did you really like between the two, options or futures?
Oh, futures.
Okay.
Now that I got to do this mini one, I'm like, oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's where the hype's
All right.
at. That's what I'm doing now. Yeah.
Make sure you get good entries. You don't play games. Don't be jumping in. You know everything there is to know. Just don't do the things you know you're not supposed to do.
Mark.
All right.
Second day, Christina visiting us.
Uh-oh. The old TikTok thing. Hang on. The old TikTok says I got to do this puzzle thing. I'm a jigger. Hang on. I got to verify to continue, but it says it's loading. Oh, here we go. Let's see if Boomer can slide this puzzle piece over on the first try. Hang on. A lot of pressure. I'm under a lot of pressure here. You got to slide this puzzle and let go just at the right time. Let me see. Does it say it? Come on. Processing. Verification complete. Woohoo! All right. Anyway, go ahead. Was that Esteban? Who was that?
That's me. That's yes, sir.
All right.
It says second day, Christina's visiting us. So she likes to drink the Kool-Aid and with futures.
Yes, she does.
I do. Love the Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. She'll be probably a millionaire before the next 6 months again, if that long. You watch her. Stay out of her way. Stay out of her way.
Yeah, there you go.
Stay out of her way. Just saying. Focus, Christina. Focus. You can do it. You know
Mark,
what?
maybe for those that recently joined the TikTok show, maybe you want to play the coach's rules.
Really? Does Coach have rules?
Coach has rules that are very specific. If
No
you
way.
follow the rules, you will be
You have a
successful.
new baby out in the field. Mark, what are Coach's rules?
Well, let's let Coach tell you. Here they are.
Some of the rules. Okay, somebody, perfect question. You're asking the right questions. I like it already. I'm new here. What are the rules? That's what I'm talking about. So again, right, some of the most basic rules so I can help you guys. Think about this. Stop losses on each and every trade. What does that do? Keeps you from losing your accounts, right? Not hard. Paper trade only when you're a new trader. It makes sure you're not blowing up your accounts. You're not obviously ready for this, am I right? Think about it. Every rule I have is not make money, it's keep your money. Don't trade in the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day. It's the hardest time of the day. I've been doing this 33 years. It's very hard. I get chopped up all the time and I'm like, ooh, it looks good. Oh, it looks good. Oh, I'm going to do it again. Oh, stop. I'm doing it to protect you, right? If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes because it is the most volatile, right? Until we get the shift change when volume comes in again at 10 o'clock. Because why? The very beginning is like this. Yo, 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 yo. Typically, in that after the first 30 minutes, it will try to decide which way do I want to go today. I'm avoiding you getting wrecked, right? Last hour of the day is power hour, high volume, hedge fund managers. making the things happen, trying to get markets to move the way that they want. I'm telling you to stay out of it. So if you're like, well, I keep getting burned up, why are you doing it? Right? Journal. It's for your own mental strength so that you can see what you are doing on a daily, consistent basis. That's all it is for. Did I trade it right or did I trade it wrong? What should I have done? What could I do better? That is what it's for, right? It's your homework every day. You guys can go back and review your trades and go over your journal and what should I have done right there and why did that not work out? It will help you, right? You're strengthening your brain and you're getting rid of your own stuff. Small position sizes. I say that because usually when you go in too large, your emotions take over, you're not trading robotically, you're not trading the trades, you'll end up blowing up your accounts, right? That's when we make a lot of mental mistakes, is all the difference was we're going in too big. Let the runners run and stop out the losers. Again, notice the stop part is the most important. Stop out the losers so you don't continue to lose money. If you find yourself in these bleed out sessions, oh, I hope, oh, it's gonna come back, oh, we'll see, oh, it's coming down to support, oh, it broke that support, maybe this next, oh, stop, draw a line in the sand, use the stop. And then when you guys go green, right, like, oh, I'm up 100, I'm taking that, that's my daily. That's what I told myself. That's what I told myself. If I can make 100, I'm going to take that. It could have turned into 2,000. Why are you taking 100? Let the runners run. I notice I never said take all the runners off the table. Never said that. I've never said that in my life. We use the shedding technique. We collect as it goes. We take off as it goes because that way we are guaranteeing locking in realized profits. Remember, nothing is realized until you actually click, right, the sell button. All these rules are in place, ladies and gentlemen. They're there to help you. If you can't do these very basic things we talk about, right, how are you going to advance? Stop saying, woe is me. Stop saying, I don't get it. Stop saying, I'm not a good trader. I guess I'm never going to get it. Yeah. Because you can't follow my basic rules. They're there for a reason. Again, follow the freaking rules, right? And listen, I know when I get on you guys, you know, I don't get to sell anything and I don't get to make any money and it's just, I don't care. I need you guys to understand so that you guys can get ahead in life. This is what we're doing this for, right? So when I'm in this mode, right, and again, like, oh, I'm not listening to any of this. You need to listen to all this. This is where the secret sauce, this is the golden nuggets, not the, coach, just call out that runner. That isn't going to do you any good, right? It doesn't matter. There's 8 million people in this room. We could call out stuff all day long. You could just hear us shouting stuff. That isn't going to help anybody. If you don't know what to do with it, what good does it matter if one is up or one is down? That means nothing to anybody if you don't know how to handle it. You might get lucky and catch a momentum, and you're like, oh, I'm a great trader. You just keep getting out a million times. It's because it's been going in the same direction all damn day. Right? Can you duplicate it? Can you recreate the process every day consistently? This is all about consistency, okay?
There you go. Coach's rules as requested. Very easy to understand, very hard to make sure that you stick to them. Why? Because we are human beings and we don't like to follow rules. We think we're better than the rules. How's that? That's usually what it is. We think we're smarter than the average bear. And then we wreck our accounts and we're like, oh, that coach guy, he's a genius. Should have listened to him. Huh? Maybe he knows what he's talking about.
Pretty simple, Mark. We break the rules, we end up breaking our bank accounts.
You break the rules, you break your bank account is right. Pay attention to coach's rules. They're there for a reason. He's developed them after 33 years in the market. So he might know something. So anyhow, again, welcome our newest, well, we got two of them. Do we get two of them or one of them? We got Mickey He's the newest futures member. Welcome.
Thank you.
Glad to have you here. You know, we get excited around here. Sometimes we'll even.
Here we go.
But you never know what can happen around here. Sometimes it's just. And I wonder, hello, am I still alive? Yeah, you never know. It goes from one extreme to the other. And then you get these crazy moderators in here. They're always half loopy. I think half of them are drunk all the time. I don't know. I can't prove anything, but sometimes it makes me wonder. Especially that Mark McSee guy. I don't know, he ain't right. But I'd watch out for them guys. Being new, just be careful. So.
Hey, Mark.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What? Speaking of loopy. Oh, Doug. Yeah.
I resemble that remark.
You resemble that remark? So do I. Anyway, and all else fails, we got Christina to entertain us. She's good at entertaining us. We learn lots of things from Christina that generally don't have anything to do with trading, but that's another story.
They're fun stories.
Yeah, they are. They're very informative and life-changing. Yeah, so we have all kinds of, we have, that's what makes our community great, let's face it, right? We have people in here from 18 to over 80. We have Noah's cousin that's in here. He helped Noah build the ark, and he's still kicking. He's still pretty good health and don't look bad for his age, to tell you, if I want to be honest. But no, there he is. There's Noah's cousin. That guy's so
old. He does
look
pretty good for his age.
Yeah, he does. His knees are getting a little creaky now after a few thousand years, but he's still hanging in there. So we have people in here from 8 to 80 in here, all different walks of life, all different levels of trading experience, from zero to full-time broker at one time in their life, bankers, doctors, brain surgeons, athletes, famous people that you would see on TV, baseball players, football players, doctors, dentists, factory workers, Uber drivers, retired people, people that used to work for other people but no longer do because they're part of American Dream Trading, such as myself. You name it, we got it all here. We have people from all over the world. We have people even talk. We got this one girl, she really talks funny. She's got this accent. You'll laugh when you hear her. And Maria, she talks funny. You can tell her I said that. You can usually catch her on the aftermarket show or early morning hours.
Maria?
Yeah, Maria. She talks funny.
She doesn't talk.
She talks funny. She does.
She's one of them mountain southerners.
Yeah. They just got running water down where they lived here about last month, and she's all excited about that. They still don't have electricity, but they got running water because they live on the side of a hill, and they ran some pipes from the top of the hill so the water runs down to her house now. So she's all excited. She thinks she's highfalutin mountain person now. So, but anyway, if you can decipher what she says, you'll be okay. Just watch out for that. Watch out for that Dave guy. He's as old. He's Noah's cousin, so he's pretty old though. I'd watch out. You'll love our community. That's what makes our community great. We have all different kinds of people in there. Trading pennies, I would have to agree with that. I did say Julie's was probably my initial favorite, but I'll tell you what, that Martha Kit, Earth Kit, she's they're all good, So anyway, I'm not going back to that discussion. Anyway, I see by the old clock on the wall, it's time to end it for the weekend. It's time to wrap it up, put the bus away, lock the doors, and time to party, and all that. I do thank you for being here. We are live 3 times daily, Monday through Friday. I realize we didn't do much trading today, but that's okay. Every day doesn't have to be all on top of our game there. Christina, did you get in that trade that EW traded downside? Did you make more money, or are you done for the day?
Yeah, I'm in it now. I'm still in it.
Oh, what time do you have to be out of that trade, Christina?
Before close.
Which is when?
1:59 p.m. my time.
Well, in the next 13 minutes.
Oh, shit. I didn't even look. Because you were talking to me. No.
Yeah, 13
all
minutes.
Right, that's all right. No, I don't, because it's futures.
13 minutes, it goes to the overnight fees.
Oh.
And if you don't get out of there, it's going to be like your old friend Robin Hood. They're going to close you out.
I thought that was 15 minutes. No, not until 4:15 that starts.
Yes, it is now 4:02, Christina.
Yep, I got 13 minutes.
Yes, you have about 10 minutes because you need leeway.
Well, you just tried to scare me out.
Come on.
I need
Ya.
leeway. I'll get out in a minute.
You're welcome. You're welcome for helping you.
Thank you. All
right.
It had me thinking, oh, God.
Laser focused. Don't let nobody distract you. Laser focused, Christina.
I was focused.
All right, get back to it. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel. Anyway, that's Christina, by the way. That's one of the benefits of our membership. You get to deal with Christina every day. It's a joy. She's funny. And she knows music just like I do. She's always got songs in her head just like I do. Got a song title for everything. Anyway, we're glad you could be here. We are live 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on all the social media networks. Monday through Friday, I'm live from 9. No, not 9. I'm live. What time am I live from? 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern time on all the socials. And we have the aftermarket show. It starts at 5 p.m. over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. We're glad you could be here. Make sure going into the weekend, everybody you come in contact with, that you would be a positive influence on their life while you're in their life, as you may be the only positivity that they've experienced in a long time, because you never know what's going on behind that smile that somebody's giving you while you're there. We will see you again Monday, same time, same bat channel. Have a great weekend, and goodbye.